it will display now? Blank record. Observe. So in such kind of situations, these functions are helpful. In real time, we write like this only. We will not write like this. Cases problem may occur. So that's why in real time, we convert to particular case. With that case value, we compare. Okay. Next. So what is happening here? Let me explain clearly. See, we are writing like this. So we are writing where lower of ename is equals to lowercase Blake we are writing. So what is happening here? This Smith will be converted to the lowercase and it compares with lowercase Blake. Is Smith equals to lowercase Blake? False. And Allen will be converted to the lowercase. Okay, Allen will be converted to the lowercase here. That compares with lowercase Blake. Okay, Jones will be converted to the lowercase, compares with lowercase Blake. Martin will be converted to the lowercase Blake. So Martin will be converted to the lowercase. It compares with lowercase Blake. And this Blake will be converted to the lowercase, and this will be compared with lowercase Blake. Condition is true or false? True. It is displaying the record. So even if we don't know the exact case, we are retrieving here. By converting these column values to the lowercase, we are comparing with the lowercase string value. So in this case, it is these lower, upper, init cap functions are useful. So if you want to compare with init cap value, what you write here? Okay, convert to init cap. Okay, and compare with init cap string. So is it displaying Blake record or not? Observe. See, like this. Next, listen. Display the employee records whose names are having 4 characters. Okay, so display the employee records. Whose names are having 4 characters. This is our requirement. For this, what we have tried? Select star from EMP where so already we did this program by using like operator. Okay, sometimes using operator is easy and sometimes using function is easy. In some cases using operator is easy, in some cases using function is easy. So employee where ename like. Okay, how many underscores we have to type here? 4 underscores. So if we write like this, if we follow this way, tomorrow we want to display the employee records whose name is having 15 characters. Now how many underscores we need to write? 15 underscores. It becomes lengthy. In such type of situations, it's better to use the function. So the same query we are writing like this. Select star from EMP where length of ename is equals to 4. So it displays the employee records whose names are having 4 characters. So you can write like this. But if we follow this way, tomorrow if we want the employee names which are having 15 characters, so we need to write 15 underscores. It becomes lengthy. So 4 underscores we are giving. The employee names whose name is having 4 characters, it is displayed. The same query, instead of using this operator, we are using function. So which function we are using? Length function we are using. Length of ename equals to 4. So length of ename equals to 4. Observe here. What it is displaying? King and Ford it is displaying. Okay. So See, so in this, what is happening? Let me explain. Select employee number, comma e-name from EMP. So what we are writing here, we are writing like this, where length of e-name, length of e-name equals to 4. In the Smith, how many characters are there? 5. Is 5 equals to 4? False. Okay, in the Allen, how many characters are there? 5. Is 5 equals to 4? False. Jones, 5. 5 equals to 4? False. Okay, Martin, 6 equals to 4? False. Blake, 5 equals to 4? False. Clark, 5 equals to 4? False. Okay, Scott, 5 equals to 4? False. King, 4 equals to 4. Condition is true. It displays King record. Okay, like this, the implied names whose name is having 4 characters, it will display. For example, the question is display the employee records whose names are having more than 4 characters. So display the employee records whose names are having more than 4 characters. Now, can we use like operator now? Can we use like operator now? No. Like can compare only equality. Equality. Not greater, not less, like that. Okay, so here we must use length function. So what we write here? Select star from EMP, where length of e name greater than 4. So the implied names, which names are having more than 4 characters, it will display now. Observe here. So it is displaying the implied names which are having more than 4 characters. Observe in the Smith, how many characters are there? 5. In the Martin, how many characters are there? 6. Okay, so it is displaying 5 character names, 6 character names, but it is not displaying 4 character names. Observe, 4 character names are not there. King is not there. What is not there? Okay, Ford is also not there. Next. So like this, we can use length function. For example, see, there is a table is there with the name player. So player ID, player name, sorry, player first name, last name. Like this data is there. For example, player ID 1001. Okay, player name I'm giving as, okay, Rohit is the first name, Sharma is the last name. Okay, 1002. Okay, Virat Kohli. Like this, we are giving some data here. Okay, 1003. Sachin Tendulkar. Like this, player IDs and player names we are entering. This table we are creating. Okay, so to create this table, what we have tried? Oh, create table, create table. What's the table name? Player. What is the first field? Player ID. Which data type? Number data type. Next, first name. First name, which data type? Varchar2 data type. Next, last name. Varchar2 data type. Varchar2 data type. So like this, we are creating the table. So later, we want to insert the records now. Okay, so we want to insert the records. So to insert the records, we are writing like this: insert into, in which table we want to insert? Player values. We are giving values as 1001. Okay, so Rohit Sharma we are giving. So Rohit first name, last name is Sharma. Like this we are giving. Next, one more record we want to insert. So insert into player values 1002. Okay, Virat Kohli I'm giving. So Virat Kohli. Or next, one more record we are giving 1003. So Sachin Tendulkar I'm giving. So this is the data. This is the table data. Now our requirement is, so we are creating this table now. Observe, I'm copying this. See here, table is created, 3 rows are inserted. Player table created here, and we inserted, okay, 3 records, 3 employees records we inserted. So to save this data, what we are writing here, commit. Next, select star from player. Our requirement is, so this is the table data now. Our requirement is, we don't want to get like we don't want to maintain first name last name separately. We want to merge them, combine them, concatenate them. Okay, so first name and last name like this we don't want to maintain. We want to only one column here, name column. Here like this we want to maintain name column. We want, in this we want to get Rohit Sharma in init cap case. We want to maintain like this, Rohit Sharma. In the Rohit R capital, in the Sharma is capital, in the Virat V capital, in the Kohli C capital, K capital. Like this we want to get the data. This is our requirement. So what we have to do now, we have to add one column. To add name column, which command we have to use? Which command we have to use? We want to change structure of table. Which command we have to use? Alter. Using alter command, add name column. Names we want to update now. Which command we have to use? Update. Using update command, update. Okay. So now what we are doing, observe. So add name column. Add name column. So to add name column, what we are writing? Alter. What is the table name? What is the table name? Player. Alter table player. In the player, we want to add one column. So to add the column, which keyword we have to use? Add. So alter table, table name is player. Add. Which column we want to add? Name. Okay. Which data type? Varchar 2 data type. I'm giving size as 20. That's it. One column will be added. In this column, we want to get the player names. Okay. So update. In which table we want to update? Player. Set. Which column value we want to set? Name. Name equals to. Okay. Update player set name equals to what we want to get? First name. Okay. So after first name, for example, first name is Rohit. Last name is Sharma. Okay. This first name we want to get. After that, what we want to get? Space we want to get. Okay. So first name concatenate with space. So which function we are using now? Concat. Concat first name. We're concatenating with space. What it returns now? Okay. First name space. Rohit space. Virat space. Sachin space, like that. Okay. This we want to concatenate with last name. So what we write here? Concat function again we have to call. Concatenate with last name. So concat of first name comma space comma last name. Okay. Now it gives in which case? There we entered data in uppercase. Observe. It gives Rohit Sharma in uppercase. But in which case we want now? Init cap case we want. So what we have to write here? Init cap. Init cap of. So like this we are calling. Okay. First innermost function call will be executed. First name will be concatenated with space. Then outer concat function will be called. Okay. First name space will be concatenated with last name. And this is in uppercase. This will be converted to the init cap case. Is it clear? Okay. So we need to add one more column here. So see, we are adding one column by using alter command. Observe here. Table altered. Added or not, if you want to check, you can use describe command here. Okay. One column is added. Observe. Name column is added. Or you can also check like this. Open the table. That's it. Open the table. Select star from player. It is displaying player table. Observe here. So names are null values now. So these names we want to get. So we are using update command. Observe here. Update. In which table we want to update? Player. Set which column we want to set? Name column. Name equals to concatenate first name with space. Okay, then concat this with last name. Concat this with last name. Okay, and we want to get these names in init cap case. So init cap of, like this we are calling. Observe now. Okay, what it is telling? 3 rows are updated. 3 rows are updated. So open the table data, select star from player. Okay, so what it is showing? Observe here. Names we are getting in init cap case. Observe. Okay, Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, Sachin Tendulkar. Like this, if 100 records are there, all those 100 records will be concatenated and it will give in the init cap case. So if you don't want to use concat function, you can also write like this. Concatenation operator is there. Using concatenation operator also you can do this. What we write? First name, concatenation operator, space, concatenation operator, last name. It is easy. This is very easy. Okay, so now it concatenates in uppercase. In init cap case, we want what we have write here? Init cap of, like this we need to write. Okay, so here already data is in init cap. So let me write in uppercase. So for this example, I'm writing init cap only. So there I'm modifying. Observe. Update player set name equals to what we are doing. First name we're concatenating with space, then we are concatenating with last name. So it gives in uppercase. I want to get in the lower case now. Okay, so what I'm doing, observe here, lower function I'm using. So now it gives names in the lower case. So 3 rows are updated. Observe. So here using concatenation operator, we combined here. In lower case we are getting. So now is it required to maintain first name column and last name column? Here already we are maintaining name column. Is it required to maintain first name column and last name column now? Not required. We want to drop those columns. So to drop the columns, what we have tried here? To drop the columns, which command we have to use? Alter table. What's the table name? Player. Okay, we want to drop the columns. So use drop. Which columns you want to drop? You have to give here F name and first name and last name. Okay, observe here. See what it is giving? Table altered. Okay, altered or not, open the table and see here. How many columns are there? 2 columns only. First name, last name dropped here. So please confirm, did you understand this example? Like this you can practice. Now, our requirement is, we want to display in the Rohit Sharma, how many characters are there? Let me count. 3, 4, 5, 6, space 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 characters are there. The Rohit Sharma, how many characters are there? 12. Okay. Now, our requirement is display the player names. Display the player names. Display the player names. Which names are having? Which names are having 12 characters? So display the player names. Which names are having 12 characters? This is our requirement. So which player name is having 12 characters? We want to display that one. What we have tried? Select star from player where length of name equals to 12. So writing same thing we can do by using like operator, but how many underscores we need to write? 12 underscores. It becomes complex. So simply you can write length of name equals to 12. So the player names which are having 12 characters, it will display. So Rohit Sharma has 12 characters. It is displaying Rohit Sharma name. Observe here. Now our requirement is, we want to display the player names which are having more than 12 characters. So display the player names which are having, okay, which are having more than 12 characters. So display the player names which are having more than 12 characters. This is our requirement. What we have to write? Select star from player where length of name greater than 12. So the player names which are having more than 12, it will display. Okay, observe here. Okay, it is displaying what? Sachin Tendulkar. It is displaying. Okay, so select name comma length of name from player. Observe here. In the Rohit Sharma name, how many characters are there? 12. In the Virat Kohli, 11. In the Sachin Tendulkar, 16. So it is having more than 12 characters. So it is displaying Sachin here. So this is about 5 functions. Now you know very clearly about 5 functions. Lower, upper, init cap, length, concat, where these are useful. Practically we have seen. Next. See, next function, substring function and instring function. Substring function and instring function. The substring function is used to get substring from the string. All string functions are important in the real time. These are useful. In the real time, most widely used data type is string. So to work with the string values, these functions are useful. So substring function is used to get substring from the string. So substring means what? Part of the string. Substring means part of the string. Substring means part of the string. Substring means part of the string. Okay. So what is the syntax here? To use this, what is the syntax? Observe. Substring of, we pass string value. Okay. Next we give the position. Second argument is position. And specifying third argument is the optional, and third argument is number of characters. So this syntax we have to follow. This is the syntax we have to follow to use the substring function. So substr is the function name. So substring of string we pass as the first argument. Position we pass as the second argument. Number of characters is the third argument. Now see some examples here. Observe. Substring of I am taking string as, see, I am taking string as Raj Kumar here. Raj Kumar is a string. So my requirement is in the Raj Kumar string, I want to get Kumar only. Okay, that is our requirement. In the Raj Kumar string, we want to get Kumar only. For our understanding purpose, I am giving the position numbers here. Observe. R is the first character, A second character, J third character. Next character is what? Space. Next character is K. Next character U. Next character M. Next character A. Next character R. Listen carefully. So this is the string. In this string, this is position number 1 from left side. From left side, position number 1. This is position number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you want to use the position number from right side, this is -1. -1 means R. -2 means A. -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9. Position value positive means from left side. So positive means what? From left side. Negative means what? From right side. Negative means from right side. from right side position number. Positive number means from left side position number. Negative means from right side position number. Okay. For example, we are writing like this: substring of Rajkumar, comma, Rajkumar, comma, 5 I am giving. Now what it prints now? Kumar will be printed. Why Kumar will be printed here? Because we are giving position number as 5. 5 is what? Position number. Positive number means from left side or right side? Positive number means from left side. So from left side, fifth position means what? K. From this character till the end of the string, it prints. So Kumar will be printed. From this 5 position till the end of the string, it prints. Now my requirement is, in the Rajkumar, I want to only first name. That is my requirement. Raj I want to get. What we have to write now? Substring of, string is what? Rajkumar. Okay. From which position we want to get? One position. Okay. If you write like this, what it returns, you know? Rajkumar it returns. Why? Because if you are giving 5 from 5th position till the end of the string, it is giving. Similarly, from 1 till the end of the string, it will give. But what is our requirement? We want to get only Raj. So this is our requirement. So from our position, how many characters we want? 3 characters. That we have to tell as a third argument. Okay, 1 comma 3 we are writing now. Okay, 1 comma 3. 1 comma 3 means what it returns now? Raj only. Okay, 1 comma 3 means what is the meaning of this one? From first position, give 3 characters. So Raj will be written. Now you have to tell this. For example, I'm writing like this: substring of string I'm giving as Rajkumar, and I'm giving position value as 1. Okay, position value as 1 I'm giving, and I'm giving 5 here. Now what it will give? Raj space K. Raj space K. Space will be counted as the character. So just to tell this point, I have written this. Space is counted as the character. So from our character, from first position, 5 characters. 1, 2, 3, space 4th character, K 5th character. Okay. So from first position, 5 characters it is giving. Now my requirement is, from Rajkumar string, I want to get Uma. This is my requirement. From Rajkumar string, I want to get Uma. What we have to write? 6 comma 3. That's it. Okay. So right here, substring of Rajkumar 6 comma 3. 6 comma 3 means what it is giving? Uma. Okay. For example, I am writing like this. I am writing Rajkumar comma 6. What it will give now? Rajkumar comma 6. 6 I am giving. What it will print now? Umar. So from 6th position till the end of the string. From 6th position till the end of the string, it prints. Why? Because you are not telling how many characters you want. If you don't tell how many characters you want, it will give till the end of the string. So what it is printing here? Umar it is printing. Okay. So for example, I'm writing like this. Listen carefully. I'm writing like this. Substring of Rajkumar, comma minus 5 I'm giving. What is the meaning of this one? From right side, 5th position. From right side, which one is the 5th position? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. K. From K2 till the end of the string, it will print now. So what it returns? Kumar it returns. So Kumar will be written. Okay. So okay. So Raj Kumar, comma 5 minus 5 we are giving. So minus 5 Raj Kumar, comma minus 5 we are giving. So minus 5 means from right side, fifth position. So from this, we are not telling how many characters we want. So till the end of the string, it will give. So what it returns now? Kumar it returns. So Kumar will be written. For example, I'm writing like this. Substring of Rajkumar, comma, Rajkumar, comma, minus 4, comma 3 I'm writing. Minus 4, comma 3 I'm writing. Minus 4 means what? From right side, fourth position. From right side, fourth position means first, second, third, fourth. From right side, fourth position means U. From U, how many characters we want? 3 characters. So 3 characters means what it returns now? Uma. Uma will be written. That's it. So this is the way of using substring function. Is it clear? So just I am showing it practically. Observe. So quickly I will explain. Observe. Select substring of. I am giving Raj Kumar. Okay. So from this, I am giving position number as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 I am giving. What it prints now? Kumar. Kumar will be printed. Okay. Now, for example, my requirement is I want to get Raj now. What we have to write? 1, comma 3. 1, comma 3. So what it is giving? Raj it is giving. Okay. For example, I am writing like this. 1, comma 5 I am writing. What it prints now? Raj space K prints. Raj space K is printing. Okay. Now, for example, I am writing 5, 6, comma 3 I am writing. 6, comma 3 means, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6, comma 3 means what it prints now? From sixth position, 3 characters. Uma will be printed. Observe here. Uma printed. See. Okay. Uma printed. So from, for example, I'm writing Raj Kumar, comma 6 I'm writing. What it prints now? Umar. Umar will be printed. Observe here. Umar printed. For example, I am writing Raj Kumar, comma minus 4 I am writing. What it prints now? Okay. Minus 4 means from right side, fourth character. Fourth position. From right side, fourth position means U. We are not specifying number of characters. So till the end of the string it prints. Umar it is printing. Observe here. Minus 4 means from right side fourth position to till the end of the string. So for example, I'm writing minus 4, comma 3 here. Minus 4, comma 3 means what it prints now? From fourth position, 3 characters. Okay. Uma it is printing. See here. So like this, we can use substring function. This is about substring function. So next function is, so before going to discuss about next function, see some examples on substring. Or otherwise, let me explain in-string function. Later I combinedly explain substring and in-string. See, in-string function is used to know the position, used to know the position of substring. If we want to get the substring, we use substr function. In-string, to get the position of substring, we use it. If substring is not existed, it returns a 0. If substring is, if substring is not existed in string, if substring is not existed in string, then it returns 0. It is returning 0 means we can understand that substring is not existed in the string. So to use this, the syntax is in string of, here we pass the string. Okay. Then we pass substring here. substring, and search position we give here. Next one is search position. Search position we give. Okay. Next, occurrence number. Occurrence number we give. So this syntax we have to follow to use this in string function. And in this, specifying this search position and occurrence number is optional, and default search position is 1. Default search position is 1, and default occurrence number is also 1. So default search position is 1, and default occurrence number is also 1. This syntax we have to follow. This is the syntax. Now see the examples on in string now. See, in string of, I am giving string here. I am giving string as, this is his wish. This is the string. This is his wish is the string. And in this, we want to search for the substring is. This is our requirement. So what it returns, observe. So for our understanding purpose, above it, I'm taking the string and position numbers. Observe. So first character T, next H, I, S space, I, S space, H, I, S space, W, I, S, H. So this is which is the string here. This is the string. So write the position numbers here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Give the position numbering from right side. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, -11, -12, -13, -14, -15, and -16. Okay. So we are writing like this. This is wish comma is. Okay. Listen carefully here. Here, are we giving any position number? Are we giving any search position here? Observe the syntax. First, we are passing string. Second argument is substring. Third argument is what? Search position. If we don't pass search position, what is the default value? 1. If we don't give occurrence number, what is the default value? 1. Okay. So if we write like this, this is wish. We are searching for the substring is. So now from position 1, it starts searching now from here. For first occurrence of is, it will search. So where is it is searching? Where is it is searching? So where is now? At 3 position. So what this function returns now? 3. 3 it returns. So this function is returning 3. Okay. For example, I'm writing like this. So in string of, this is wish, comma is. I am giving position number as 1 and occurrence number as 2. So here, what is this 1? 1 means searching starts from 1 position. This 2 is what? Occurrence number. So searching position is 1. From first position it is searching. This is first is. But what we want? We don't want first is. We want second is. Where is second is here? At 6. So what it returns now? 6 it returns. So from first position, we are searching for second occurrence of is. Second is is at sixth position. For example, we are writing like this. This is his wish, comma, is, comma. I am giving searching position as 4. Searching position as 4. Now from where it starts searching? From fourth position. S. Okay. From here it is starting the searching. Where is first is now? At sixth position. So what it returns now? 6 it returns. 6 it returns. Okay. For example, I am writing like this. I am giving search position as 7 now. So now from where it starts the searching? From seventh position. From seventh position, where is first is? 10th position. So what it gives now? 10 it gives. Okay. For example, I am writing like this. From 11th position, we are searching now. From 11th position, we are searching for the is. From 11th position, it starts the searching. Where is first is now? At 14. So what it returns? 14. 14 it returns. Okay. From 15th position, I want to search now. Okay. From 15th position, I want to search now. From 15th position, we are searching for first is. Okay. From 15th position means where? From S. After this is there any is? No. Now is not found here. Is not found here. So when the string not found, what it returns? 0. This point is important. When we are writing the queries, this point is useful. When string is not existed, when substring is not existed in the string, what it returns? 0. Okay. From 15th position, is not existed. So it is returning what? 0. Okay. For example, in string, this is the string. This is which is the string. We are searching for ABC. Okay. What it returns now? What it returns now? 0. Why? Is ABC string existed in this substring? No. So what it returns now? 0. If substring is not existed, it returns 0. Okay. For example, I'm writing like this. In string of this is wish, comma 4, comma 3. I'm writing. Okay. What is the meaning of this one? Start searching from 4. Give third occurrence of is. Start searching from 4. Give third occurrence of is. So it starts searching from 4. This is first occurrence. We don't want. And this is second occurrence. We don't want. This is third occurrence. This one we want. So what it returns now? 14. So 14 it returns. Next. Okay. For example, I'm writing like this. This is wish, comma is, comma. I'm giving position value as -1. -1 means from where it starts searching? Right side. Right side from first position. So from right side first position it is searching. Where is there now? At 14. It returns 14. Always position number, it returns positive value. Don't think that it returns -3. It will not return position value in negative. Always it returns position value in positive only. So what it gives now? 14 it gives. From -1 position, it is starting searching for first occurrence of is. So 14 it is giving. Okay. So 14 it gives. Next, we are writing. This is wish, is, comma, -1, comma, 2 we are writing. Now what it gives? From -1 position, second occurrence of is. Second occurrence of is at 10. So it gives 10. That's it. Next. For example, we are writing -4. So just we are writing -4 now. So from where it starts the searching now? -4 position. -4 means where? From W. From -4 it is starting the searching. Where is first is now? At 10. So it gives 10 now. It gives 10. Last example. Okay, so -4 comma 2 I am giving second occurrence, -4 comma 2. So from -4 position it starts searching. Now this is the first is we don't want, second is we want. So second is at which position? 6. So 6 it gives. So this is the way of using in string function. So let me show it practically. Observe. Select. So just a minute. Select in string of. This is sorry. Select. This is which comma is I am writing. Okay. So it gives, it searches. We are not giving any position value. We are not giving any occurrence value. Default position value 1. From 1 it is searching for first occurrence of is. Is at which position? Is at which position? Third position. So what it is giving now? Observe. From dual 3 it is giving. Observe here what it is giving? 3. So now next we are reading like this. Select. This is which comma is comma from first position second occurrence of is we are searching from dual. So from first position second occurrence of is. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 it will give. Observe here what it is giving. Observe 6 it is giving. From first position second occurrence of is it is giving. Okay, next we are giving this searching position as 4 now. From fourth position it will search for, sorry, select from fourth position first occurrence of is. Okay, so from fourth position first occurrence of is, or otherwise you can write like this also. Is 4 we are giving from dual. So from fourth position it starts the searching. So first occurrence of is at sixth position. So what it is giving? Observe here 6 it is giving. So from fourth position, from fourth position second occurrence of is we want from dual. Okay, so from fourth position means s 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. At 10th position is there. So observe here what it is giving. 10. So like this we can use. Next, in string of I am giving position value as -1. -1 means from right side it is searching. Okay, so this I position, this is position value it gives now from dual. Maybe that is 14. See what it is giving. Observe here 14. Okay, for example we are starting searching from 15 now. Okay, we are searching from 15. 15 means s. After this any is there? No. What it returns now? 0 it returns. So when substring is not existed it returns 0. Okay, next we are writing from from -4 we want to search. From -4 we want to search for second occurrence of is. Means 6 it has to give. So -4 comma 2. -4 comma 2 we are giving. -4 comma 2 from dual. It has to give 6. Observe it is giving 6. So like this we can use in string function. Now when this in string and substring are useful, sir, try to understand. For example, there is EMP table is there. In the EMP table, employee numbers, employee names are there. Here we want to generate the mail IDs now. Employee number is 7369. His name is Smith. Employee number is 7499. His name is Allen. We want to generate the mail IDs as employee names first 3 characters we want, and employee numbers last 3 characters we want. And for all employees we want to generate the mail ID in Naresh IT website, nareshit.com. This is our requirement. Like this, we want to generate unique email IDs. Okay, so to generate unique email IDs, we are taking names, first three characters, and employee numbers, last three characters. Okay, so for Allen, first three characters means ALL, last three characters means 499 at the rate narration.com. So like this, we want to generate the mail IDs. So generating mail IDs to all employees. This is our requirement. So generate mail IDs to all employees by taking first three characters in employee name and last three characters in employee number as username. This is our requirement. Okay, so take first three characters in employee name and last three characters in the employee number as the username. That's our requirement. So EMP table is already ready. Which column we have to add now? Mail ID column. So to add mail ID column, what we have to write? Alter table. What is the table name? EMP. Add mail ID. Which data type? Which data type? Varchar2 data type. I'm giving size as 50 here. So 50 size I'm giving. Okay. So Varchar2 of 50. That's it. Column will be added. We want to generate mail IDs now. So we want to update the data. So which command we have to use? Update. Update in which table? EMP. Set. Which column value we want to set? Mail ID. Mail IDs we want to generate. So mail ID equals to, in the employee name, first three characters we want. How can we get first three characters? Which function we have to use? Substring function. We want to get substring from the string. Substring of 1,3 from first position 3 characters. 1,3. Okay, 1,3 means from first position 3 characters. Okay, concatenate it with concatenation operator. Concatenate it with in the employee number last 3 characters from right side third position. -3 from right side third position means -3. From -3 3 characters. -3,3. So what we have to write here? Substring of. So sorry, in which column we have to tell here? In employee name, in the employee name column, from first position take 3 characters. Then in employee number column, from right side third position 3 characters. Like this we give. Okay, and concatenate it with @narration.com. @narration.com. That's it. So now mail IDs will be generated. Sorry. Yes, we have no need to write this 3 also. Okay, even if we write -3, it will give. Okay, so when we don't specify the number of characters, it takes till the end. So no need to write. Even if you write, no problem. So here, observe the EMP table structure here. Observe, is there any mail ID column? No. We want to add mail ID column. What we have to write? Alter table EMP add mail ID. Which data type? Varchar2. We are giving size as 50. So what it is telling? Table altered. One column is added. Okay, we want to generate mail IDs now. Which command we have to use? Update. In which table? EMP. Set. Which column values we want to set? Mail ID. So mail _ ID. Mail ID equals to, in the employee name, first 3 characters we want. Substring of ename, 1,3. Concatenate it with. Okay, substring employee number. Okay, from right side third position -3. So from right side third position. Okay, 3 characters we want. So minus 3 comma 3. Okay, concatenate it with @nareshit.com. Okay, that's it. So what it is giving? 16 rows are updated. Now open the table and see the data. Select employee number, employee name, and mail ID. Mail ID from EMP. Observe the mail IDs here. See, mail IDs are generated. Observe. So in the Smith, 3 characters. Okay, in the 7369, last 3 characters. In the Allen, first 3 characters. In the 7499, last 3 characters. So like this, mail IDs are generated. So in such type of situations, substring function is very useful. For example, sometimes sensitive data will be there like mobile numbers, Aadhaar card numbers, okay, or debit card numbers, credit card numbers, or PAN card numbers. Okay, for the vehicles, vehicle registration numbers, vehicle engine numbers. All these are the sensitive data. So when companies are sending the message at that time, they will send like this XXXX. That XXXX last 4 characters only they will display. So from the mobile number, we want to get last 4 characters. For example, which function we have to use? Substring function we have to use. Substring from the mobile number. From the mobile number, we want last 4 characters. So from right side, 4th position to how many characters? 4 characters. Like this. So we will get last 4 characters only. So in such type of situations, this substring function is helpful. Next, my requirement is display the employee names. Display the employee names whose names starting letter and ending letter are same. Whose names starting letter and ending letter are same. If employee names starting letter and ending letter are same, we want to display. For example, here David is there. The David, what is the starting letter? D. What is the last letter? D. Okay, starting letter and ending letter both are same. So such type of names we want to display. Okay, so let me insert one more record here. Insert into the EMP table. Okay, employee number, employee name. 2 values we are inserting. Okay, values. We are giving employee number as okay 1240, and I'm giving employee name as Srinivas I'm giving. Sorry. Okay, so one row is created. Okay, I'm saving this data. So now in the Srinivas, starting letter is S, ending letter is S. Okay, and in the David, starting letter is R, ending letter is R. In the Rajkumar, starting letter R, ending letter R. So such type of names we want to display. If starting letter and ending letter both are same, we want to display. That is our requirement. Now, for example here, David name is there. In the David name, I want to get first character. David is the string. From this David string, I want to get first character. What we have to write? Substring of David is the employee name, right? Okay, e name 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1 means we will get first D. First D we will get. First D we will get. Okay, last D we want to get now. What we have to write? Substring of from right side e name comma from right side first position. Okay, minus 1. How many characters we want? 1. So minus 1 comma 1. What it gives now? Last D. Okay, now this value equals to this value or not, we want to find. That's it. For example, if the string is Smith, if you write substring of e name comma minus 1, e name 1 comma 1, what it will give now? First character it will give. What is the first character here? S. Okay, if we write substring of ename -1 comma 1 means last character it will give now. Last character is what now? H. Okay, is S and H both are equal? No. So this value equals to this value or not, we have to check. That's it. Okay, so what we write here? Select star from EMP where substring of first character we want to get in the ename. Okay, 1 comma 1 equals to substring of ename comma -1 comma 1 last character we are getting capturing. So if first character is equals to last character, then display the record, otherwise don't display the record. Observe now, I'm copying this. See, not copied. See, observe what it is displaying. David it is displaying. Okay, where is Srinivas? Okay, actually there one space may be inserted. Okay, then maybe one space may be inserted here. We didn't insert correctly here. Maybe one space is inserted. That's why it is not giving. Okay, no problem. Okay, so in the David, first character is what? D. Last character is what? D. In the Rajkumar, first character or last character or. So these the implied names, which names are in which names starting letter and ending letter are same, it is giving. Is it clear? Next, now our requirement is we want to display the employee records. Display the employee records whose names are started with S. This is our requirement. Now what we have to write? Select star from EMP where can we use like operator here? Can we use like operator? Yes. If you want to use like operator, what we write? Ename like S percentage we write. Okay. The same thing if we want to do by using substring function, what we write here? Select star from EMP where substring of ename comma first position, from first position 1 character. Okay, if this value is equals to S, then that should display the record. That's it. So this is the way of using substring function. Observe here, I'm using like operator. So it is giving the implied names whose names are started with S. Okay, next, the same thing we are doing by using function here where substring of ename comma 1 comma 1 equals to S. Okay, we must give capital S here. String comparison case sensitive. Observe what it is giving. Same result. The implied names which are started with S, it is giving. Now our requirement is we want to display the employee records. We want to display the employee records whose names are ended with RD. Whose names are ended with RD characters. Last 2 characters must be RD. Okay. What we write? Select star from EMP. Can we use like operator here? Yes. Ename like in the beginning any number of characters that can have, but in the end RD. Okay, like this we write. Similarly, okay, the same thing if you want to do by using substring, what we have to write? Select star from EMP where substring of ename last 2 characters we want. Okay, from right side second position 2 characters equals to RD. Okay, so now observe here, we are using substring function. The implied names whose names are ended with RD it is giving. Observe. Okay, 4 it is giving. Okay, the same thing we can also do by using like operator, ename like percentage RD. What it is giving? 4. Same result it is giving. So like operator you can use, substring function also you can use. Now our requirement is display the employee records, display the employee records whose names, just a minute, let me check the employee names here from EMP. Just observe. Okay, we want to display the employee records whose names are having LA characters, whose names are having LA substring. We want to display the employee records whose names are having LA. That is our requirement. Okay, so see what we have to write. Select star from EMP where, okay, that name must have LA substring. So in the string we have to search for LA is there or not. If LA existed, it returns position value. Position value is positive number. If LA is not existed, what it returns? 0. So what we have to write here in string, in which string we want to search? In the employee name, which substring we want to search? LA. Okay, if this LA is existed, it returns positive value. Okay, so if this value is greater than 0, means existed. It is, if LA is not existed, what it returns? 0. 0 greater than 0, condition false, that will not display the record. Okay, for example, here employee name is there. Okay, Blake is there and Smith is there. Blake is there and Smith is there. Okay, so here employee name is what? Smith. In the Smith, it is searching for LA. In the Smith, is there any LA substring? No. What it returns now? 0. Is 0 greater than 0? False. It will not retrieve Smith. Okay, here second name is what? Blake. In the Blake, is there any LA string here? Yes. LA is at which position? At which position? Second position. So what it returns? 2. Is 2 greater than 0? Yes. So it returns Blake. Is it clear? So now I'm copying this. Observe, it displays the employee records whose names are having LA characters. Blake is having LA and Clark is also having LA. Okay, so like this we can use substring and instring. Substring, instring functions are over. Okay, so I'm stopping the session here. In the next session, we discuss remaining functions like lpad, rpad, ltrim, rtrim. Those we discuss in the next session. Tomorrow I try to finish these string functions. Okay, thank you everyone. See you tomorrow.